National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Nelson County in central Kentucky, Anderson County in central Kentucky, southeastern LaRue County in central Kentucky, Marion County in central Kentucky, southeastern Hart County in central Kentucky, Taylor County in central Kentucky, northwestern Casey County in central Kentucky, Aga County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Spencer County in central Kentucky, Mercer County in central Kentucky, southern Woodford County in central Kentucky, Greene County in central Kentucky, Monroe County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Allen County in south central Kentucky, Washington County in central Kentucky, western Boyle County in central Kentucky, central Cumberland County in south central Kentucky, eastern Barron County in south central Kentucky, Metcalfe County in south central Kentucky, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Taylorsville to 9 miles north of Lafayette, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Tompkinsville around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lawrenceburg around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Versailles and Burkesville. For your protection, move to an interior route. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Grant County, Owen County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Owenton, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Dry Ridge, Owenton, Corinth, Monterey, Grant, Stewartsville, Elk Lake, Beechwood, Harmony, Cherry Grove, Long Ridge, Williamstown Lake, Nutley, Twin Bridges, Squiresville, Kiefer, Camp Northward, Needmore, and New Columbus. This includes I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 144 and 158.